outside with this giant lightning thunderstorm that's been going on. Oh, Jesus Christ! All around, and it started out over here, and now it's over here. Oh my! My eyes! Oh, my eyes! My eyes! Ah, I looked right at it. Ow!
Okay. I saw it too.
Oh fuck! My eyes! Oh, my eyes!
That's gonna be loud. Get ready.
Okay, I'm plugging my ears.
That one's gonna be loud.
That scared me so bad. I didn't mean to scream, sorry. I caught it on film.
Did you?
Uh-huh. I think so. Oh, is that the end of the wall? This is just like in the fucking Bible, dude. And we saw locusts today. I'm a little scared, too. It's a good thing I got Frosty in, huh?
There's some tall trees around us.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, wow. I think it's Zeus.
I think it's a thunderstorm.
I've never seen a storm like this before.
Yeah, this is badass.
Yeah, it is. Powerful. Oh, wow. Love you.
Love you too, kiddo.
Holy shit. My eyes are still burning.
Die from lightning,
You know, hey, it's on film.
It is what it is. It'll be a fun way to go out.
I hope they play Post Malone at my funeral. And Childish
Boingo,
Gambino.
Boingo,
Oh, fuck yeah.
Boingo,
Skeletons
Boingo,
in the dark.
And some Metallica.
Oh, yeah. I want them to play my favorite Black Sabbath song, God is Dead. Because I would have been killed by Zeus. He is a god, isn't he? He's the god of lightning?
Zeus is the god of lightning.
Wow, he's amazing.
This is awesome.
And I think he's mad.
Thanks for getting me out here to watch this.
I knew you'd want to. I knew you'd be mad if I'd let you sleep through it. It was just getting good. The lightning went for 10 minutes solid with no breaks.
I didn't catch any really good strikes on my phone.
This one I caught. The one that scared me half to death.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, here. I'll end
You'll
this.
have to go back and show